द वे, कैसी लगी मेरी एक्टिंग? वर्ल्ड क्लास ना?
मुझे ये मालूम है कि 50% एटलीस्ट जो भी मैंने हासिल किया है जिंदगी के अंदर वो काजोल की वजह से है। और सिर्फ इसलिए नहीं कि वो इतनी बड़ी एक्ट्रेस हैं या इतना अच्छा एक्टिंग करती हैं, बट उनकी ऑनेस्टी को देखकर जब भी मैंने एक्टिंग की है, I've tried to be more honest. So I'm extremely thankful and I love Kajol.
She's a great actress.
And the one and only, the star of the year is of course Kajol.
As long as actors are concerned, who I admire the most, I think it has to be Kajol. I like the way she's led her life.
Name one senior actress then that you would wish would hit on you.
Kajol.
She has very lovely eyes. I think I'm a big fan.
Also, I really appreciate the fact that she hasn't changed. You know, like off screen, how she is as a person. She's a mother. She's a housewife. She takes care of her family.
She's looking very good.
She's looking
stunning.
But
Hottest Bollywood actress according to you?
I guess I've always been very impressed by Kajol.
Who's your favorite Hindi film actor of all time?
Kajol. Love the spark she's got. I mean, whether she's doing a scene where there's no lines required, whether she's doing a scene where she's out there full on, I've loved her throughout. She's got an amazing screen presence. She's just wonderful to look at. You know, I mean, she could just be standing in the background and people would love her.
No, absolutely. She's
She
got
is,
amazing.
yeah, she's something else on screen.
She's an amazing presence as well.
You know when you're working with somebody, when you're doing a scene which is emotional, you're looking at a person's expression and you get tears in your eyes. And that's the kind of impact Kajol can have with you in a scene. I think she's a fantastic actor. I don't think anybody else could have played this part the way she's portrayed it. And she's apt. She's just bang on for this part. She's also lots of fun. She can go crazy at times.
Spontaneous, she's vivacious, she has everything that, you know, an actor has. I'm very, very deeply, deeply fond of Kajol.
Female lead, Kajol, my most favorite actress.
I used to like Kajol because I think she used to dress up completely against the norm, and something about her was so confident, even though she was dressing up in a salwar kameez and just letting her hair open, and the way she just carried it off, she just made it like as if, you know, it's cool. That's what I think is awesome, that, you know, you wear something totally shabby and you still make it look cool.
Kajol!
Kajol.
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 Kajol!
Kajol.